Hi, I want to do a slower walkthrough of the edit table functionality. So for Locarla, so I'm on the housing table, as you can see here, housing. This is the default table. We're just going to concentrate here on the edit table. So this is to change the options or the column headers in this spreadsheet so you can build something that includes all the data that's particularly pertinent to you. So open up the edit table. So these are the default fields over here that we can currently see here. And if you wanted to keep them, you can move them up and down or change. You can get rid of them here or remove them by dragging them over to this side. But I'm going to start with clearing this view. Now over here we have these categories. So in total there's 103 different data points. A data point can be something like the type of organization, or its phone number, its email, or any one of these. It might be turnover. Whatever meets, have a look through. You can expand the whole all 103 depending on what license you've got. And we can scroll down. We can move individual items over here, or we can move whole sections. And then again, we can move these up and down so we can change the order that they appear on the spreadsheet. I'm going to clear it once more, and I'm going to be over here. I'm going to be looking at building a certain table: total stock, group stock, or normally rather important. I'm going to put location. Sometimes we want to chop these up or view them regionally. And I'm not going to take any other address data. Parent group is always interesting, so it'll show you if it's a parent or a subsidiary. And then down here, I'm going to go for does it have a DLO or not? So this is going to name the DLO. These are, I'm going to actually put all these repairs in. So this is going to show who the responsive repair contractors are, the plan works, etc., etc. You can see up here I've got 13 so far out of a total possible 30. But I'm also going to add some development data in here. If I drag all this in here, you can see I've gone up to 32 here. So we're only allowed 30 in the table. So I'm just going to remove total stock, and I'll remove the parent group. And when I apply this table now, you'll see that all the views, the data has changed. Let me just, it's not showing, because if we sort the group stock by high to low, we're going to see a lot more data in the system. I'll just drag this across here, and so we can see things like planning applications. Well, you'll see for yourself when you do it. Please remember, we now need to filter these options. So I'm going to say housing associations, and let's say the whole of England. I'm leaving it at that. And I'm just going to save that table. So my new table. We'll save it. All the saved tables appear up there. I hope that answers a few of the questions, but as always, if you need any help, please get in touch. If you want to reset this back to normal, just refresh. Bye.